If you've been injured because of unsafe living conditions in Bakersfield, you should know that California law requires landlords to provide their tenants with safe, habitable housing. If they fail and someone gets hurt, they can be held financially liable. Unsafe living conditions can include mold issues, faulty wiring, broken stairs, collapsing ceilings, pest infestations, gas leaks, or lack of clean running water. These hazards don't just make life uncomfortable, they can cause serious injuries and long-term health problems, especially for children, seniors, and people with pre-existing conditions. If a landlord knew or should have known about a dangerous condition and didn't fix it, you may have grounds to seek compensation for your medical bills, lost income, and other damages. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured by an accident caused by unsafe living conditions in Bakersfield, contact Maison Law right away.